Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're back at it again for the beginning of another month, the month of May. And today was actually a very busy May 1st with the federal funds rate coming out. So these kinds of things tend to tilt the market in very major ways. So the federal fund rate didn't change. So they kept it like that. So while that might kind of seem bullish in a sense, in another sense, it's kind of bearish, because what that's telling you is that the feds are not convinced that the inflation is really tapering and is coming under control. So some people will take it as bullish, some people will take it as bearish, some people will take it as flat. It doesn't really matter, but it came out today and the market went bonkers. It just went up and down, left, right, center. It was crazy volatile. There's no way I could play those kinds of things. So this came out around 2 p.m. and then there was a meeting at 2:30. So I had to be done my trading by about 1:30 latest. Okay, so that meant that I couldn't really do much and I had to really play defense with my trading. So we had 8 trades today, and 2 of them were break even, there were 2 losses, and there were 4 gains. So again, just like usual, not going to show my break evens. I will show everything else, and we will start with Russell for another short, and this time it was also a Renko indicator, but I got 20 ticks for my first and 10 ticks after that. Check it out. And then I went in on the next trade, which was my first losing trade. It was a Russell short, another Renko indicator as well, but this time it was a loss. Take a look. And then I went in on ES for a long with an oscillator indicator this time, and I got a gain of 12 ticks. At this point, I was playing defense, trying to make sure that I don't lose all my gains at this point. And so I went and sized down to try and do other trades up until 1:30 Eastern. Check it out. And then the next trade, I went in for Nasdaq on a trend line play, and I got a gain of 20 ticks. Take a look. And then finally, I went in for my final trade on Dow Jones, using the Renko indicator, and unfortunately this came out with a loss. Check it out. And then here's my balance. As you can see, I ended up with around $40. I actually got as high as 130 bucks for the day, and so then I ended up with $40. So days like these, you have to be really careful, otherwise you could end up losing all your gains and being in a severe loss if precaution isn't taken. And so anyways, this is how it went. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Take care. God bless.